Kaitiakitanga means guardianship, protection, preservation or sheltering. It is a way of managing the environment based on the traditional Māori worldview. We believe there is a deep kinship between humans and the natural world. All life is connected. People are not superior to the natural order. They are a part of it.
Te kena, te tupuna, o tupuna. Mine is the land of my ancestors. Care for the land of your ancestors.
Mother Nature is beautiful. If we don't look after Mother Nature, we may lose our beautiful land. The world is already changing Mother Nature. Without Mother Nature, we would not be here right now. I love Mother Nature, my community loves her, and you should too. Please help us look after Mother Nature. With the help of everyone, we may be able to change the world for the better and help save Mother Nature.